Sultan Mehmed I is remembered as the ruler who restored the Ottoman Empire after years of internal conflict. Before starting the video, if you are new to our channel, to Islam for You, then don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for more Islamic content. Mehmed was born around 1389 in the city of Bursa, the early capital of the Ottomans. He was the son of Sultan Bayezid I, and his mother was Devlet Khatun, a woman of Seljuk origin. In 1402, his father was defeated and taken prisoner after the Battle of Ankara against Amir Timur. This event shattered the empire and led to a civil war between Bayezid's sons. Mehmed ruled over parts of Anatolia during this time and began working to reunite the empire. For nearly 11 years, the empire remained divided between his brothers Isa, Suleiman, and Musa. One by one, Mehmed overcame their challenges through both battle and negotiation. By 1413, he entered Edirne and was recognized as the sole ruler of the Ottomans. This marked the end of the Ottoman interregnum and the full restoration of central authority. Mehmed focused on rebuilding what was lost. He strengthened administration, secured peace in the Balkans, and repaired alliances weakened during the crisis. He avoided large-scale wars and worked to restore the image and stability of the empire. In 1421, Sultan Mehmed fell ill and passed away in Edirne. He was buried in Bursa, in the Green Tomb, also known as Yeşil Türbe, one of the most famous Ottoman mausoleums. He was succeeded by his son, Murad II. Under Murad, the empire expanded again and faced new external challenges. Sultan Mehmed I is remembered not for conquest, but for restoration. He brought unity in a time of division and laid the foundation for the Ottomans to rise once again.
If you are new to our channel Islam for You, then please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for more Islamic content. And don't forget to like, share and comment on this video.